tuning in. If this is your first time tuning in with me, welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Guys, like the title suggests, I will be listing the top drugstore concealer brands for 2020. I have to mention that this is in my opinion. This is from the brands that I've tried out and that I really like and keep going back to. And with that being said, let's get to it. Okay, so coming in at number 3, guys, it definitely has to be the LA Girl Pro Concealer. If you have not tried this, guys, you have to give it a try. I love this concealer, guys. I go to it all the time. I try out lots of different brands and I just keep having to buy more of this one because it's the one you just always reach for. It's really full coverage, you know. Once you put them under your eyes, those bags are gone or those lines are gone. And I quite enjoy this one. So this is coming in at number 3 for me for 2020. It's not a new brand, it wasn't created now, it's just the one that I'm enjoying. So please don't mistake the title for it being new brands. These are just brands that I'm still loving right now. Okay, so coming in at number 2, guys, it is definitely the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. Let me hold it like this. Okay, also very full coverage. I really enjoy this one as well, guys. If you've not tried it out, you have to give it a try. Like I said, once you put them on, those lines are gone and there isn't any what is the word I'm looking for, smile lines or cracking after. That's very important. I don't like, there's certain concealers, I won't go into it, that I've tried that after a while, even when you apply your powder, you can already see it's gotten a bit cakey or there's cracks or that sort of thing, and I don't get that with this. I absolutely love this. Nor with the LA Girl, let me just mention, that's the ones I'm mentioning are quite reliable, so that's very important. And then for me, my number 1 definitely has to be the Old Faithful Maybelline. Like, it's still instantly anti-aging, like it just erases those lines, guys. As you should know, if you haven't tried this, it's really full coverage, guys. Sorry, multi-use. You can cover up if you have spots as well. This is what it looks like. Okay, I really enjoy this brand. Also something I keep reaching for, keep needing to go back for. Really reliable, full coverage. You know there's not going to be any lines when you're done there, and that's what you really want from a concealer. You don't want it to be thick and cakey. You don't even want to know it's there. It must just make the slate clean in terms of the lines or dark spots, and this is absolutely my go-to for number 1. So guys, if there are any other brands that you've mentioned that are drugstore and that you think is really awesome, please leave that for me in the comment section. I would like to check it out. If I have not yet tried it, I'll also leave my opinion for you if I have given it a try. But thank you so much for watching this video. I done a drugstore or best drugstore foundations for 2020 as well. If you've not checked out that video yet, I'll leave it for you in the cards. I don't know which side it's going to be, but I'll leave it for you in the cards and I'll link it in the comment section down below as well for you to check that out. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Oh, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Also hit the bell so that you get notified when I do upload new content. Thank you once again, and I'll catch you on the next video.